Sam.
Ready, go! Really? This is the warm-up. Monkey Run was named because of the mascot for Camp Smile Mile. Camp Smile Mile has been around for about 25 years, and the mascot is Sam the monkey, so it was named there. And we did it because of the running and the monkey. So it was born 2 years ago, and the C is for cancer, and that's the in light of the campers.
Looks like we had a big crowd. How many you think you had to register?
We had registration. We hit about 1,200, and I think for the fun run we have about 300 kids.
Can you talk about the Camp Smile?
Camp Smile Mile is a year-round program for children with cancer for Alabama, and they do go to camp during the summer, but it has year-round programs. So they may go to Disney on Ice, they may go to the zoo, and it may be something that they do just year-round. Every month they have a program, and it's for free every month that they and their families participate in.
Do you have the website name people can go?
It's www.campsam.org.
Great. Do you want to say anything for next year? Somebody wants to run it next year?
Yeah, it's going to be during September, probably around this weekend. We try to do it favorable for football season, but it's always in September for Childhood Cancer Awareness Month.
And the festival you have after party?
After party, it's family friendly, so we try to get as many families to come out as we can to support Camp Sam.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
My name is Jake, kid. The run was good. Weather was beautiful. It's a good course. Pretty flat the whole way through. Just like one little tiny hill, but that's it. So good times. Good time.
PR?
Yeah.
I saw that.
If it wasn't for these guys right around here, it wouldn't have happened because we had a competition there almost the whole way.
Great kick at the end.
Hey.
How's the race for you?
It was good.
Tyler.
Yes, Tyler, come on.
job. Let's see that, baby. That's great. Did it well. Did it well. Did a lot of it. Not a lot.
My last race in Alabama, it was a 5K, and I actually beat my PR by a minute. I got 20 something, so it's a great last race in Alabama. I'm gonna miss it here. It's great.
How did it feel to PR at your last race here in Alabama?
It feels awesome to PR on my last race here in Alabama. Wish I wasn't leaving, but it's a great way to leave.
Right?
Good job. What was you? She said they got a. Don't look at the camera.
Are we supposed to do something?
Little bitty.